Hi guys, welcome back. Here's how you can create a Facebook account on your laptop. I'm using my PC, my computer, so laptop is the portable version of a computer, so it counts, right? So once you've headed over to facebook.com, click on create new account and then enter your first and your last name and then insert your date of birth. For example, this October 25th, 97, and then select your gender and then insert your email, for example this, and then create a password just like this, and then click on sign up when you're done. The email will be used for further verification, so stick with me. Alright, click on continue when you're done. And then we have to solve the puzzle according to what's shown. Yeah, they match with the icons. And then click on submit. Verification complete. And then click on continue to do it. And then enter the email address that you put before making the account. And then send the login code, that's to say, and then click here. There will be a 6-digit code that's sent to your email. Alright, this is the confirmation code, and then paste it, and then click on next. Alright, click on continue. So, alright, now all you have to do now is to upload a verification selfie and then, follow some other steps to verify that it's you that create the account, and then you will create a Facebook account. That's how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.